It goes without saying that the ancient Chowkandi graveyard, located near the National Highway in Karachi, makes a famous horror story in Pakistan. According to some researchers, it is the oldest cemeteries, dating back to the 15th century AD. The graveyard is included in a historical site, but no one dares to visit them after sunset. As a whole, it is a beautiful place for attracting tourists. University students visit these graveyards in the morning or noon. Those who have explored the graveyard at night encountered strange activities. The locals would hear voices coming out from the graveyard at 3:00 a.m. and shadowy creatures creeping within these graveyards. On a bright moonlit night, a group of brave university students decide to explore the ancient Chowkandi graveyard near Karachi. Despite hearing spooky stories about it, they're curious to see it for themselves. As they walk among the old tombstones, they feel a strange atmosphere and hear faint whispers. Suddenly, they spot a creepy-looking mausoleum and even catch a glimpse of a shadowy figure inside. Terrified, they quickly leave the graveyard and head home, but the experience haunts them for days. Unable to shake off their fear, they start researching more about the graveyard, hoping to find answers. They become obsessed with the mystery and eventually return with cameras to capture evidence of the strange happenings. But the more they investigate, the more they realize that some things are better left unknown. They finally understand that some mysteries are beyond human understanding. In the end, the group comes to accept that some mysteries are simply beyond human understanding, and that perhaps it is better to leave the Chowkandi graveyard to its silent vigil over the ages. As they bid farewell to the ancient cemetery, a sense of relief washes over them, accompanied by a newfound appreciation for the fragile boundary between the world of the living and the realm of the dead. And though they may never fully understand the secrets that lie buried within its depths, they carry with them the memory of their unforgettable journey into the heart of darkness, forever changed by their encounter with the unknown.